Hello, dear gardeners. In this short video, I'm going to reveal one of the most effective natural liquid fertilizers you can make at home. If you want your plants to be healthy, strong, and produce abundant fruits, then this recipe is just for you. But before we begin, dear gardeners and lovers of organic gardening, please subscribe to our channel. It's completely free. Thank you. Now, let's get straight into the video. This fertilizer is ideal for vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers, but you can also use it for flowers and ornamental plants. It will help increase microbial activity in the soil, further improving the quality of your garden. Yeast isn't just an ingredient for bread. It's rich in B vitamins, minerals, and essential amino acids that enhance the growth and development of plants. By using yeast-based liquid fertilizer, you're providing your plants with a natural boost that increases their resistance to diseases and improves soil fertility. All you need for this magical plant potion is 1 packet of dry yeast, about 10 grams, 5 liters of lukewarm water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, optional. For faster yeast activation preparation, add the packet of dry yeast to 5 liters of lukewarm water. Stir well. Let the mixture sit for 1-2 hours at room temperature to allow the yeast to activate. If you wish, you can add a teaspoon of sugar to speed up the process, but it's not necessary. Once the yeast is activated, your liquid fertilizer is ready to use. You can use this fertilizer once a week. Simply pour it around the base of your plants in the morning or late afternoon when the sun isn't too strong. By applying this fertilizer, your plants will grow faster, have lusher foliage, and produce larger and tastier fruits. I hope you try this recipe and see incredible results in your garden. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. See you in the next video, and until then, happy gardening!